Hi guys, welcome back to I Teach channel. It's me Selyort, and for today's vlog is we're here at Torres Farm. It was not expected that we're gonna go here. Okay, let's go.
Alright, so the babies will just stay here in our car because they're not allowed to go out. Say hi! Hi! We're going there inside, okay? You have to eat more food so that you will grow up, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Alright, you...
I have a hat.
Bye-bye! You close this one! Okay, so we're going there. Ayan, papunta na kami dun, guys. Hindi ko nga alam kung ano yung gagawin namin dito kasi this is not planned. Si Daddy, alam ko nagkamali lang siya ng way. Tapos napunta na kami dito sa Torres Farm.
We were about to go home from Ternate.
And ayan, so diba ang saya? Sana laging maano si Daddy.
Maligaw naman.
Napunta na kami dun sa loob. I don't know kung magkano yung entrance. Hindi ko kasi ito alam eh. Kasi we just planned to go at Kabyang Tunnel. So nandito na naman kami. Kasi alam ko nagkamali lang talaga si Daddy ng way. Ayan, so ayan. Nakakatuwa kasi babalik kami kasi hindi kami pwedeng pumasok. Gawa ng wala kaming
Face shield.
puti daw, ano yun, ng form. Tapos wala kaming face shield. So we're not allowed to enter there. Kasi kaya babalik na naman kami sa kotse.
Tapos kukuha ng face. Ay,
Ewan.
it's an exercise.
Oo, kawawa naman kapag maliit na baby, hindi sila makalabas. So, di ba, just stay inside the kotse. Andito na kami sa entrance. So, magbabayad kami. Ito yung Torres Farm. So, you can take here pictures. Magkano isang entrance?
180.
Oh, so, pag pumunta kayo dito, mag-ready na kayo ng 180. Kasi 180 per head, guys.
Paano pag walang head?
O, di legs lang. Ayan, paano yan? Kalahating picture lang, miss, kasi kulang yung pera. Ayan, sila wala na tayong pera. 1, 2, 3, 4. Piso, kulang ng piso. Pwedeng ano, kulang piso. Ayan.
Bali 360 po, ma'am. 250 pala ito.
At 360, nakukulang talaga. Magkano na ba yan?
Ito, ma'am, 250. Ayan po. 360 na po, ma'am.
Hello, ito na lang, miss. Akin na yung ano. Ayoko niyan eh. Thank you.
Palagay na lang po, ma'am, ng wristband bago po kayo pumasok, ma'am. Ito po yung map.
Okay, thank you.
Tapos what is it called? Facebook.
So, ayan guys, meron na kaming wristband. Ayan, so ibig sabihin, pwede na kaming mag-take pictures. So, pwede rin ditong mag-swimming. Kaso nga lang, syempre, hindi kami mag-swimming kasi nag-aantay si Shwari sa amin. Nagagalit na nga yun. No, Shwari, okay, come on. So, may binigay sila sa amin na mapa. Mapa ng kayamanan. Ayan. So, ito yung titingnan mo para makauwi ka sa bahay ninyo. So, guys. Eto, ano ba to? Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Netherland ba to?
Ewan ko. Ewan ko, ano? North po.
Ewan ko kung ano to. Ayan, kasi may chimney siya. Siguro Netherland to. Ewan ko. O, sige, Selyort.
Gusto ko talaga hintay sa Paris.
May ano din. Ayan, may Christmas tree.
Christmas, guys.
Ayan. So, makikita mo yung different wonders of the world. Sure. Hindi ko alam kung ano mga part.
Pa tayong picture, ma'am.
Mamaya na. Ayan, so ito yung I don't know. Ito yung I don't know. Ano ba daanan dito? Pwede ka dito mag-book na yan. So, yan yung Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal ba? Ayan, so may swimming pool dito. So,
Wait lang.
Gusto na daw mag-swimming ni Sal Leon. Pero syempre hindi kami nagbayad ng bayad sa swimming pool. Kaya bawal kaming mag-swim. Halika, picture. Picture. Sinet.
Oh.
Come on.
Ay, wait lang.
Ako din. So, ayan guys. Dito na kami sa Egypt. So, maraming tao sa Egypt ngayon. Maraming nag-visit sa ano. Sa pyramid. Ayan. So, ayan. Ang binayaran mo kasi dito yung picture. Oh, doon ka na. Okay.
Ay, may ano pa.
Okay. Oh, Sal Leon, punta na doon. Okay, go, go, go. One, two. Isa pa. Ayan. Okay, you go there. Pipicture ka. Dali na, pipicture na kita doon. Excuse. Ready? Wait. Go. Isa pa. One, two. It's an amazing place. There.
Wait, where?
Yan. So, ito guys. Ayan, ayan. Ayan ang Disneyland. Kasi makikita yan mamaya ng mga anak ko. Kasi hindi sila nakapasok. Kaya dito na lang. Sa picture na lang. Ayan. So, this is really a very nice angle. Ayan. So, ayan. Busy din si Shunette. Nagba-vlog din siya. Ayan.
Sa likod yan, Singapore na yan. Yun guys. Ay, alam ko kita mo yan.
Okay. Take a look at here. Shunette.
Hi. Nag-vlog rin siya. Nag-vlog din ako. Ako, this is for your memories. Hi guys, so ito talaga yung dream, ano ko eh, destination simulang bata. Ay, oh my God!
Yeah.
Parang ako. Wait, what is this houses for? Okay, bye guys.
So, ayan guys. Ayan si Shunette. Ayan, papasok na kami dito. Ayan, dadaan lang naman kami. Tapos ang ending, nahulog pa yung cellphone ko. Thank you very much. Oo, actually, hindi siya maganda itong part na to. Ayan, doon ka na lang sa Singapore. O, doon dito ka, picture ka.
Hi, I am in Singapore.
Yehey, ganda. Let's wait. Ready? Sige, maganyan ka lang. Wow, ang ganda.
Hinara kasi
Dito kami sa Nepal. Ewan ko kung no. So, ano yun na yun yung Singapore.
Hindi yan Nepal, Italy.
Ano ba yan? Nakakainis sama tong tour guide ko. So, ayan.
Hindi ko alam yung flag.
Punta
Iba
na
kasi
dun.
yung flag ng Italy.
O restroom, gusto mo?
Hi guys, we're at Italy. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Picture again. Oh. Hi guys, we're in Australia right now. And then, wait,
It's really a very nice place. I think it's Sydney.
Amarela Kusi. Ay. Wait. Yep, it's really Australia. They didn't put the, oh my gosh, the mud. Oh no.
They didn't put the mud.
No, they didn't put the real name of that, that structure.
Okay.
I think it's the eating, but
It's
like,
it's a restaurant.
wait, there's birds up there. Can you see it, guys?
It's very nice.
Wait lang, I'm gonna picture here.
Hey, come here. We're gonna take pictures of you. Come on.
Okay.
1, 2. Another one. Yay! Ayan, so andito na yung Eiffel Tower.
Nakita niyo ba? Wala kasi makita yung bright.
So yan yung pangarap ni Shunette na puntahan niya. So guys, there you have it. That's the end of our vlog for today.
It's a
And
leaf.
yeah, actually my cell phone is already low bat.
Yes.
Right.
Mom
So
borrowed my phone.
see you next time in our next destination. Alright, so bye!
Bye.